What up, Reddies? We're doing monsters because they're fun and I like them, and I think you guys do too. So grab something to draw with and a piece of paper, and let's get started. Today we're gonna do this crazy eyeball monster with all these eyeballs, kind of like a octopus vibe. All right, let's get started. All right, first, Reddies, we're gonna go up and down with our piece of paper, and then we're gonna do the octopus here with a bunch of eyeballs. So to start that out, we're gonna do our center eyeball first. So let's go about halfway down our paper and just do a zigzag line like that. Super easy. And then match it. Boom, right in the middle so we can have room to figure out our other ones. So let's go a half of a circle down, another half circle down, and then let's do our second zigzag line. Any way you want to do that zigzag line, okay? So I'm gonna do like a long one in this direction. So whoop, and match it. Whoop, perfect. Same thing on the other side. I'm gonna go this way. Whoop, and whoop. All right, we got 3 eyeballs ready to go. So I think we still want more. So we're gonna do some in the back, but these are our main big ones, right? So let's get going on the actual eyeball part. So super easy, breadies. We're gonna do kind of like a moon shape to hold the eyeballs. See that? Simple moon shape. Again over here, simple moon shape. And again, a simple moon shape. Can you guess what's gonna go in those moon shapes? That's right, a big ol' eyeball. Let's do it. So, a circle, Reddies. Whoop. It's okay if our circles aren't perfect. We're just practicing and having fun. Do your best. You'll get better and better the more you do them. All right, so different sizes and shapes. I got 3 eyeballs, but I want a lot of eyeballs, maybe like 8. So to do that, we're gonna put them in the background here. So a simple way to do that is kind of like smaller versions. And they don't have to be connected to this front like these ones are. So let's just do like, all right, we got some room here. So let's get a circle first. Boom. So we know how to do our little, so now simple, right? We do our half moon, boop, and then our zigzag line. Nice. And we'll do the same thing right here. So let's pick a little shape. Let's go kind of bigger than that one, since we have more space right here. And now can do our half moon, down, down, and a little zigzag. Boom! All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's looking pretty good. We have some room here, so let's do a 6th one right here. And we might fit in some baby ones, but I think we got lots of room for definitely a cool big sixth one right here. So we'll go down a little and we'll take it to this space. So we'll kind of give it a real zigzag like that. Really zigzaggy. Boom. And then the half moon. And then a big eye. Ready? I like sound effects. I hope you do too. Otherwise, you're probably not like and subscribe. By the way, go like and subscribe. And leave a comment if you thought this was too hard or too fast so I can learn and make them better for you guys. All right, and if I'm going too fast, double click that screen and it'll go back 10 seconds. All right, Breadies, this looks really good. I think we're ready to now create our body, which is gonna be very easy, circular octopus vibe, just to finish strong, okay? You ready? All right, so we're gonna just connect these down like this, and then we're gonna stop about right here. So go on the left side and go down, and the right side and go down. Perfect. We want to leave this open because we're gonna do some octopus legs down here to make it real fun and simple. All right, so let's go in, don't draw a line, let's go in a little bit to get like a front leg vibe. So we'll go down to about here and start right here. And we're gonna go down and up, like a roller coaster, down and up. And then to a point for his octopus leg. Can you do that, Breddies? And I'll show you why we're leaving that open in a little bit. Now, we're gonna match that line to connect the octopus leg, this front octopus leg. Ready? We're gonna match it. So just go with it down, up, curve, down, connect. Oh, that looks really good, Breddies. All right, now we have room for this back leg here. So what we're gonna do is we're simply gonna go a curve line down, and then we'll show the leg pop out over here. So we'll envision this going through, and then we'll just go up into a point, and then bring it down like that. Super cool. All right, Breddies, now we'll connect this through, and we have our two legs. That looks so good. All right, and we want to maybe do another leg in the back to give it that like 3 legs on that side look. So let's just go another curve. I like how they like curve like that. That looks really good. All right, Breddies. Now we have to do some creative legs over here, just like on this side. So we'll start it that same way. We'll go to the front and we'll bring one over here. Okay, Breddies? So a simple way is we'll meet right here in the middle on this one, and we'll do almost the same thing, but that way. So we'll go down, and then where do we go? Up. And then one more bump. And then hook it. Same thing, we're gonna match that. So we're gonna go here, match this line here, Breddies, right there, see that? Go down, bring it up, curve down with it, and to a point. Super good. All right, now we gotta get our back legs going. So again, real simple. We'll just connect that line there. And then we envision it. Basically, it's still all hidden by this leg. And then, so swoop, and then up for the hook like that with a little boom. And then we envision it going through and then up, just like that one, but over here. All right, what do we got? We got a third leg over here. So let's do one more third one over here. This one's going up. So let's make this one kind of do the same thing. Almost like an ocean wave, just a nice little curve. And then match it. Oh, this one's looking so good, Breddies. All right, now we just need a face. That's the most fun. But really, we just need a mouth, right, Breddies? Because the eyeballs are up here. Could do a nose, but for an octopus, I don't think they really have noses. So let's just do a simple, scary frown. I like the frowns we do. So really easy. It's like an upside down smile, really. But we're gonna do big. So let's go all the way up and all the way down. And then let's curve with it. Oh, curve with it. Boom. That looks good. Comment below how many teeth you think I'm gonna do. Comment. Comment. Okay, like and subscribe while you're at it. All right, let's see. 1, 2. I'm gonna do 3. 1, 2, and 3. That looks so good, Breddies. All right, we are almost done. For our eyeballs, we need some pupils. Should we just do the dot ones? Should we do the all black? What do you think, Breddies? The dot ones are simple. Will they stand out enough? You do what you want at home. I think I'm gonna do the simple black eyes. Well, that's a lot of ink. It's okay. We'll make it work. Let's do... All right, I'm going for it. We're just gonna do the dots. Since there's so many. Nice and simple. Make them look like they're going crazy eyes. Look in every different direction. Oh, messed up. It's okay. I'm gonna mess up. Try again. Easy. Boom. And one more. Boom. Wow. Time to color. Now coloring is really gonna bring this to life. I'll speed up and you guys can color yours at home, and I can't wait to see your finished drawing. All right, buddies, let's color. All right, buddies, super simple, super fun. Here it is. Woo-hoo, what do you think? Look at all those eyeballs and legs. Hope you had fun. Like and subscribe and watch another one tomorrow. I'll see you later, guys. Bye. Like and subscribe, Reddies, and watch another art tutorial tomorrow.